guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I've got something a little bit different and I've just noticed on the box. You will see from the title, it's a Cattitude box. It is a box for cat mums and dads and cats. And I was approached by the company and they asked if I would like to review a box with the cats, and I was like, hell yeah! It's £31.95 a month and free shipping. You get 3 to 4 items for humans and 3 to 4 items for your cats. And I've just seen on the box it says Loose and the cats, which I love. And I'll put a little clip in now. There's something in the box the cats know that they want because they've literally been clawing at it. I'll put that little clip in here. But before we jump into the video, I thought I would just quickly introduce you to the cats. One of them is now coming. Come here, baby. We have 3 cats, or kittens I should say. Come, Bandit. This is Bandit. He is the skittish cat. He was a bit poorly when we got him. He's about 4 and a bit months old now, and he's completely healthy now. But when we got him, he was a bit poorly, and so he is a little bit less cuddly. When he wants to cuddle you, he will, but he is least likely to come and cuddle you. Binksy! Yo, come here. So this is Binks. He is my little baby. He climbs and sits on my shoulders, and he is the most affectionate baby in the whole world. He's my favourite. I know you shouldn't have favourites, but I do. Get over it. Just because he is so affectionate and so loving, and he literally climbs up me. But they've all got the zoomies at the moment because it's night time, and then cats always get the zoomies at the night time. So he is going to go and play, and then I will get the last one to introduce you, and then we're going to get the box open. This is the last one. This is Gary the Beast. He is a fluffy boy. He's my fluffy boy. He is very affectionate and lovely. But again, as I said, they all have the zoomies, so they're going to go play. The box comes like this. You can see there is, I'll not show you my address. There is teeth marks all along here where the cats have been trying to get into it. So let's rip it open. I love the packaging. Gary, what's this? Oh my gosh, look, it's so cute. Look at that. So cute. The best monthly gift for cat ladies and their cats, or cat dads. They have lots of information on their website. You can tag them and stuff and use specific hashtags, and you can potentially win a free box, which is really nice. You can get the boxes slightly cheaper if you do like a 3 or 6 month subscription, as the case is with most subscription boxes. It's just share the kitty love, log into your account on Cattitude box, share your unique code, which your friends will get £5 off their box, and then you'll get £5 off your next box as well, and you can end up with a free box. So it looks like this. Binks is now in the plastic wrapping. What's this, Gary? What's this? You want to look? They smell good. Can we get in? Gary is just here, just desperately trying to look at what is in the box. What is it? Okay, so it looks like this. Gary, get out of the box. So as I said, it looks like this. I already know this is a Katie AB print. I have one of her prints with a cat on it in my living room. This says, when you get tired, learn to rest, not to quit. She does really amazing little prints and stuff. You do get an information card within the box, and I've got a digital version here just because it's easier. And you get, okay, so we've got the Katie AB positivity postcard. Gary, get out of the box. And then I've got Edgar Cooper, delicious game and poultry for adult cats. So I can't use this at the moment. Hopefully that will last. Oh yeah, that will last till next year. That'll be fine. So we've got 2 of those. All 3 cats are now in the box. Oh my god. Banksy, get off! He's like trying to eat everything. Get out. Oh my God. Binks, get out of the box. All of you, get off the box. So, I've got a space mask. These are one of my favourite things to ever get in any boxes. Oh, I absolutely love them. They're a heated mask. You put them on and they self-heat. And they are so relaxing. They smell amazing. I just absolutely bloody love them. I've had them in various beauty boxes in the past and they are awesome. And it says, forget counting sheep, take the intergalactic approach to relaxing space masks and purring kitty by your side. 3 cats purring in your ear is not relaxing. I can confirm that. I have got some peaches and cream children's fruit tea. Oh my goodness, that is the cutest packaging ever. Look at that. Look at the little fat panda. Peaches and cream, that sounds incredible. And I assume, because it says it's for children. Children's. Peach, apple, red hibiscus flavouring, sunflower petals. Especially for children from finest blends are bursting in tasty vitality. Oh my goodness, no caffeine, no added sugar, no artificial sweeteners. Oh my goodness, I don't have caffeine, so they are perfect for me. And peaches is one of my favourite flavours. Gary is about to jump into the, launch himself into the box. And then we have a cookie, a little cat-shaped cookie, which says Edgar and Cooper, oh no, that's the cat food. Vegan biscuit for humans. These buttery and crumbly kitty-shaped vegan biscuits are perfect with your cuppa. That looks delicious. I'm gonna have that after my dinner. And then this is what they were after, I think. This says a catnip poppy. What could be better than a cat toy in November than a red poppy, a symbol of both remembrance and hope for a peaceful future. Filled with Canadian catnip, this handmade poppy will stimulate your cat and ensure even more fun. Gary, what's this? Let's see if we can get the cat's reaction to this. I'm gonna just go rogue and take you off here. Gary, what's this? Smell good? Binksy, what's this? What's this? What's this Binksy cat? Oh, who wants to get it? Gary's going for it. What have they got? What have they got? Yo. Oh yeah, Gary likes that. Binks is now trying to get into the tea. And then I think there is one more thing in here. And it says it is a handmade cat blanket, lovingly handmade from Sherpa fleece by our friends at Simply Handmade. This navy blue blanket will keep your kitty cozy and calm. Binksy, get off my stuff. So it is a really cute little blue soft blankie. I will put this on the side of them because they don't sleep in beds really. They sleep on my table or on my desk. So I'll put this on there. Gary, do you like that? Do you like that, Gary? Easy, Gary. Thinks he just likes the box. They are absolutely loving that poppy, and the box where the poppy's been in it, they're now all fighting over that. I love the box, that was super fun, and slightly chaotic with 3 cats, but what you're going to expect. I thought it was a really lovely box. I am super excited to try the tea and have the biscuit after my dinner, and I'm 100% using this for bed tonight because they are so relaxing. Really lovely. Thank you so much to Cattitude Box for sending me this. It was awesome. Let me know what you guys think. I'll leave all the links down below for you, and yeah, thanks for watching. Love you, bye.